Hello everyone, welcome to Code and Chill. Today, we'll talk about Object-Oriented Programming or OOP. To make it easier, we'll use one team person.
In real life, a person has properties like name and age, and behaviors like talking or walking. In OOP, we can represent that as a person object.
OOP is important because it makes programs more organized, reusable, and expandable. Just like how people share common traits but also have their own unique roles. Before OOP, programmers used procedural programming, just step-by-step instructions. Here's an example with a person. This works for one person, but if you need multiple people, the code becomes messy.
Imagine writing separate variables for your whole class. What a nightmare.
OOP solves this by grouping data and methods inside a class. Now, every person has a name and can talk. We can create as many people as we want without making the code messy.
First is encapsulation. People have private information like age that shouldn't be changed carelessly. We hide those details and allow safe access. Here, age is private. You can change it directly. Instead, you use a setter with rules and getters to access it safely. That's encapsulation, protecting the data.
The next one is inheritance. A student and a teacher are both persons. They inherit the common properties like name and age, but they also have their own unique behaviors. Here, both student and teacher inherit name and age from person class, but each overrides the talk method differently. This avoids rewriting the same code.
In this loop, both student and teacher are stored as persons. But when we call talk, each one speaks differently. Same method, but different behavior. That's polymorphism.
So, OOP help us program people or anything more realistically.
With encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism, we can make our code cleaner, reusable, and expandable.
And that's why OOP is used everywhere. Apps, games, and even in school systems for grading. Thanks for joining us on Code and Chill.